Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can search for words and expressions in your PDF documents on SwifDoo and replace them. So let us guide you through this. Alright guys, so navigate to your document, your PDF document on SwifDoo. Let me open this example text document here. So once it is open in a new tab, click into Edit here at the top. And then you will see the Replace feature. Click into it. You may also use the shortcut Ctrl+R or Command-R if using a Mac device, for example. So then switch from the search to the replace tab here and type in here the word you would like to have searched and then replaced with. So I will go with, example is a good word, right? So type it in here and then click into the replace box here and I don't know, think of a word. Word. Let's go with word. And then decide whether you'd like to replace all cases or only a single. I will go replace all, click into it, confirm. And as you can see guys, they have been replaced here, right? So it has impact also on the length of the text apparently. So if you'd like to undo this, the only way to undo this is to replace the word again using the method I just showed you. Click into replace all, and that's it. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.